Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur certain parts of a video in CapCut PC. So here you can use either this trick for either a video or photos. In this case, I'm using a photo, and what you need to do is just first copy the video or photo, copy and paste like this. Then go to the video effects. You can go to the lens category and then add the blur effect to your videos. So I'm going to just scroll down and add this blur, so you can drag it and add to the overlay like this. Okay, now the effect has been added. You can adjust the intensity to your liking. Now click on the video and go to mask. Here you can select the shape based on the parts that you want to blur. For example, here I'm going to use circle because I want to blur the face. You can just adjust the size in here like that, and you can add some feather to make it more natural like this, for example, and you are done. So the face part will be blurred just like this. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.